Okay, so as I promised, this is a lot of math dealing with this particular unit. So first we are going to cover your first worksheet, Boyle's Law. Now, I do expect you to get the examples done. I am posting Mr. Darmondy's flip lessons as well, so that way if you need extra help from what I am doing, you can actually watch his videos and you'll learn from his way of doing it as well. So, Boyle's law states that as pressure increases, volume decreases, and they have an inverse relationship. So that being said, this is our formula to find unknowns. So if we are looking for unknowns, so first of all, we have 600 milliliters of gas at a pressure of 8 atmospheres. What happens to the volume of that gas when we change that to 2 atmospheres? So we have to set it up first. So we'll do 600 milliliters. Remember, it has to be in liters. So if we want to go from liters to milliliters, we move this 3 over. So 0.6 liters times 8.00 atm equals our volume, our V, times 2 atm. So this is how we set it up originally. Sorry, I went a little far off there. So as we set it up, we have our question. So our whole goal is to find V. So what we have to do is first multiply 0.6 times 8. So getting our calculator, we'll find the answer. Our answer is 4.8. And now we have to divide both sides by 2. So that gets rid of this. Divide this side by 2.00. So 2 divided by 4.8 will give us our volume. So our volume equals 2.4 liters. Alright, so basically we got to do our first step. This one's going to be step 1. Step 2 is multiplying. So step 1 milliliters to liters. Step 2, multiply left side. Fix the left side. Step 3, divide both sides. Alright, so that's your steps for each one. Pretty simple. I will do one more with you. Let's go with let's see. Let's do, sorry, fix this one. Let's do number 2. So 4.0 liters times 205 pascals equals, is allowed to expand to 12 liters. So we don't know what the pressure is. So our whole goal is to find our pressure. So step 1 is done for us already. It's not in milliliters, it's already in liters. So all we're going to do is multiply 4.0 times our 205 kilopascals, or pascals. So that gives us 820 and then we'll divide both sides by our 12. So 820 divided by 12 gives us our answer of P equals 68.3 pascals. And that's our answer. If you have any more questions, please watch Mr. Darmody's video. He goes through it and he explains it a little bit differently than I do. We're basically the same way, but I will let you guys look at that one. If you have any questions, please email me. And remember, we only have 2 flip lessons this week. The next one will be, let's see, our next one is Charles Law. All right.